She will stay still for about 5 minutes. Sick.
Why?
Good morning.
Oh, come on, man. That fucking hurt. Why are you being a dick?
Because you're a dickhead.
Why do you have the camera on? Are you fucking kidding me? Dude! Sarah, what the fuck did you use? This isn't even funny, dude. This better come off. CR!
That's what happens when you're a dickhead to me. You're a fucking dickhead now.
Dude! This won't come off. What'd you use? Dude, if this burns or fucks up my skin. Oh, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get off of me, dude. This isn't even. I wouldn't go this far, dude. What did you use? Why can't I get this off?
Let me sit on your face. She's been in the bathroom for 4 or 5 minutes trying to get this dildo off of her forehead. Let's see how she's doing.
Dude, this isn't even funny. I can't get it off.
Are you crying, baby?
Shut up. It's not funny.
Using peroxide and alcohol and all that stuff. Aww.
What kind of fucking glue did you use?
Industrial strength super glue.
Honey, that can like burn my skin.
Aww. Tell the viewers how much you love me.
I fucking hate you. I really wanna like, get off of me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Angry black girl. This is love.
I don't even want to look at the camera. I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at the camera. I want to get this damn thing off my fucking forehead.